So hey guys, welcome back once again in this YouTube channel, and this is Masum here. So believe me, this video is going to be some kind of different video. In this video I am going to discuss that how we need to pronounce the word English in English. Okay, I know that you may be confused after listening this. So actually the thing is, most of the people in our India, they pronounce the word English in wrong way, in bad way, which is absolutely wrong. So let me finish it, let me clear it. So before that, do subscribe this channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. Okay, let me explain it. So now first topic is that the word English, it has 7 letters, consisted with 7 letters. Each letter has different pronunciation. So in our India, if as I am from India, in our India there are total 3 kind of English is going on. There are total 3 kind of English we use in our daily life. The first one is Indian English, and the second one is British English, and the third is American English. So okay, now let me break it down again. If we pronounce the word in our Indian language, then the pronunciation will be like it's English. Okay. If we pronounce this word in British language, then the pronunciation will be like English. I will break it down more after just few seconds. So in American English, we need to pronounce this word English. Okay. So it has 2 syllables. In Indian, we need to pronounce English. In British, we need to pronounce English, and in American English we need to pronounce English. In Indian English it's English, and in British or American English it's Glish. Let me explain, let me break it down again. The first vowel sound is E, then ing, again angle, English. It's in British or in American language, it's English. You can see the pronunciation explanation. I am shooting this video because of some people commented on my video that how to pronounce the word English in English. So that is why I am shooting this video to let them know or clear that how to pronounce this word in English. The force is on the letter of G. Again, it's English. So guys, this is a short video. So if you like this video, then do subscribe the channel, like this video and comment on this video, share this video. And one more thing is that I have purchased a new microphone. It's wired microphone. So let me know in the comment that how is the voice, is there any background noise. And the length of this microphone is around 20 feet. Okay, now I can come to the point. So the point is that the word English. So similarly as the word English, similarly there are so many words that we pronounce in our daily life in a wrong way. We mispronounce these words. For example, like pizza, it should be like pizza. In our Indian English, the pronunciation of the word English, it's similar sound in both syllable, like English. But in British English, the force is on the G, and it is again English. In Indian English, it's Glish. In British or American English, it's Glish. So actually, pronunciation is the key rule. Pronunciation is matter in spoken English, in our English language. So if we pronounce the words in wrong way, if we mispronounce the words, then our English language would be like some broken type. If we pronounce the words accurately, correctly, with using accent, with using force, then I believe that our English language or our English speaking would be like so super. The pronunciation of the word English I explained today, it's not mine. You can search it on the internet and you can find out that the word is in 3 ways. So do practice, learn new words, try to pronounce the words accurately, correctly, and learn some idioms, celebrity words, celebrity phrases. By applying those, you can enhance your spoken English, you can enhance your English skill. So this is just a short video. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel, hit the like button, share this video, comment on this video, and let me know in the comment again that in which topic you want me to make a video next time. So meet you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye bye.